Hey guys, how are you all? Please let me know in the below comment section. In this video, I'll be sharing how to pamper your chapped lips at home by making use of all the natural ingredients. So I'll be sharing how to prepare a lip scrub, a lip moisturizer and a lip balm. Please do keep watching. Firstly, I'll show how to prepare a lip scrub. You require sugar, honey, lemon and olive oil. Here I am making use of Figaro olive oil. Firstly I am taking sugar. Sugar helps to remove all the dead skin cells. Make sure you are using the crystalline type of sugar but not the powdered ones. I am adding 1 tablespoon of honey and I am mixing it well. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. If you are adding 2 tablespoons of honey, make sure you are using 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Once all the ingredients is mixed well, add few drops of lemon because lemon is an excellent natural bleaching agent and it also helps in lighten the darkened shade of your lips. I am storing this mixture in a small container and you can use this mixture for around 2 months. Use this mixture once in a week or if possible twice in a week to get the best result. So the next step is the lip moisturizer. So the ingredients which you require are the olive oil and honey. Firstly, I am making use of 1 tablespoon of honey. Now add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. By using olive oil, you can keep your lips soft and supple. Mix the mixture well to get a thick consistency. Now I am storing this mixture in a small container. And you can use this mixture every night before you go to bed. The next step is how to prepare lip balm. So the ingredients are Vaseline, extracted beetroot juice and coconut oil. Here I am taking 1 spoon of Vaseline and melting it. Once the Vaseline is in liquid state, I am adding coconut oil into it and mixing it well. Here coconut oil gives moisturizing to the lips, so adding coconut oil is very important. Once it is mixed well, I am adding few drops of extracted beetroot juice into it and mixing it well. Once all the ingredient is mixed well, I am storing it in a small container. Once you transfer all the mixture into the container, tap it on a table to get a smooth outer layer and keep it in deep freezer for about 15 to 20 minutes. So now lip balm is ready to use. So this is how I prepare lip scrub, lip moisturizer and lip balm at home. Hope you like watching this video and please do like and subscribe my channel. Till then, take care, bye bye.